With this ring I marry.
With this ring I marry.
In the name of the Father,
In the name of the Father,
and of the Son,
and of the Son,
and of the Holy Spirit.
and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Amen.
And let's place here, and may I ask all the ministers who are here around come in the altar. Let's pray for them. May I request all the ministers, and may I ask Letty and Shanan to please kneel. Or may I ask parents? May I ask everyone to please raise up your hands towards them and we'll pray all together. Sign since the beginning of time to bring unity and love. Now as Shanan and Letty join together as husband and wife, may your presence, O Lord Jesus Christ, be with them as they live together from this day on. May you let them experience your divine power as you perform the miracle and making the truth them into one. May you, O Lord, provide all their needs. May their marriage be like the couples in Cana of Galilee, Shanan and Letty. May the Lord make his shine face on you and be gracious to you. May the Lord lift up his countenance on you and give you peace. Amen. As a minister of the gospel of Jesus Christ, it is my pleasure to husband and wife. You may keep.
Let's praise God and sing together, How Great Thou Art. Oh, the world thy hands have made. I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder. Thou power throughout the universe displayed. Then puji kebesaran-Mu, ajaib Tuhan, ajaib Tuhan. Holy matrimony of Shanan and Letty is finished now. Thank you for coming.